Mr. Krabs said him not going down without a fight. Anyways, guys, welcome to another vlog. You might see some places you're familiar with. If you see a parish, big it up in the comment section. And remember to like, subscribe, and share. Enjoy! Oh Lord, we're going on a road trip today, and boy, we're going all the way to Westmoreland from Kingston. Look at them. Thank you. Riz, how much was it before?
Like 500 and something other day, like 510. Oh God. You remember? Yeah.
Early in the morning, late at night. It don't even matter what time it is.
Watch here. So the tour going to continue all the way over, so? Wow. Welcome to Jamaica. Hi, guys.
Presidential rolling, RM, way. Whenever I found time, it's okay. ATL Jacob. Pray for my demons, girl, I got you. Every time I sip on codeine, I get vulnerable. Annoying the sounds of the storm when it comes. She understand I can't take her everywhere a nigga going. I've been in the field like the children of the corn. I can hear the tears when they drop over the phone.
Maybe 2 or 3 minutes.
Yeah, 2 minutes left.
You read boy now, sorry, I don't tell you to read boy now.
4 shrimp.
Alright.
This is the chicken.
Chicken.
Cheese.
Okay.
2 big jaw.
Yeah.
And a country.
Yeah, that we're traveling from Kingston to Westmoreland and not stop at Juicy Beef. So we stopped just now, got some patty, and ready again for the road. I want my patty. Leave my patty alone, Eva Grace.
When you coming up, you're not going to drive here, so. You're not going to drive on the old road.
What?
I'll come out of Forest.
What?
Yeah, baby. So see the new tour.
Wow.
500,000 bag and you have 2,000 a pound. So this is 1,000 bag, this is 500. But 1,000 a pound. Otherwise.
Come to mommy.
Yeah, man, no, man, don't worry about that. My customer, nah, this no customer. You understand what I'm not telling you.
Oh, we're not tell them something there. For Christian.
Yeah,
Thanks, sir.
Thank you.
Alright.
Yourself, cause you can't leave me alone. Gossip and messy, it ain't what we doing. Traveling around the world, over the phone.
Miracles when we move. Such an easy thing for you to do. Your hand is moving right now. You are still showing up. Have a to my favorite Lazarus in here. Your voice is calling me out right now. I know you're able, and my God will come through again. You can do all things. You can do all things but fail. Cause you've never lost a battle. No, you've never lost a battle. And I know, you never will. You can do all things but fail. Cause you've never lost a battle. No, you've never lost a battle. And I know.
I get my phone when I get through. When you drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel. The real one, exactly what it is.
Yeah. Woo! How much for it? Oh, now I have the 500 back. Hold on, I have a baby right here. Alright, I have a baby here, so careful with the pepper. You hear, guys?
Is this in a paper bag for you?
Yes, please. A $500 one.
Don't say it cause you know that's why I want to Yeah. I've been traveling around the world. I sit on my balcony and wonder how you feeling. I got a career that takes my time away from women. I cannot convince you that I love you for a living. I be on your line, feelings flowing like a river. You be taking.
Betty's Fish Place. See the festival as well?
Yeah, man, festival.
And soup and
Yeah,
something?
man, we can get you soup for you.
Okay, great. Oh, one festival.
How much you want? 800 a dozen.
It's gonna be pretty.
You want vampire?
How much is that? 5?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I got that pepper?
This one I have no pepper.
Different.
You take onion on it?
Yes. Love the onion. So we just got fish from the border. And we got festival from Miss Betty. Oh, we got festival from somebody else, but the fried fish from Miss Betty. So we're going to try that soon. But wait, did you ever enjoy our gummy? Is it yummy? Nice.
We doing, yeah. Trapping around the world. Over the phone, dropping it. Get more run around you feel. When you drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel. Nigga for the real one, exactly what it is. Don't say it cause you know that's why I want to hear. Early in the morning, late at night. It don't even matter what time it is.
Kenny. Cane man. How much for the cane? 2 bills? 200.
Yeah, you must have all this morning.
Thank you. Alright.
Traveling around the world. Over the phone, dropping tears. I get my phone when I get through. When you drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel.
Hi, Christina.
Hi, girl.
I am here in Jamaica with your sister. And you're not here.
And you are not here.
For the real one, exactly what it is. Don't say it cause you know that's why I want to hear.
So these are my youngins from church. Say hi, guys. Big up on yourself every time. Say your name.
Antwin.
Yeah.
Natalia. And it's Stacy.
Big. One of them looking far away. Them can peep you out of them eye.
Out of them eye?
Yeah.
Wow.
And wonder how you feeling. I got a career that takes my time away from women. I cannot convince you that I love you for a living. I be on your line, feelings flowing.
Mother, give me crab.
Why are you?
We have to wash them off.
I'm stop tell you come eat crab.
So we're gonna cook some crab when we get home. So we came on the road to get some ingredients, right, Mama? Yeah. Buy some disposables because I'm not washing the dishes for you guys tonight. This is for you.
Like a river. You be texting back, you a Kiki on the river. Message say deliver, but I know that you don't get it. Why you introduce us if you knew that you was with him? Made me shake his hand, we got been fucking for a minute. Walk me off the plane because you know that I'm a swimmer. Supposed to be a dog, but you don't put me in a kennel. Girl, put a muzzle on it, all that barking over dinner.
What are you doing? Tell me the picture.
Yes, of you and the crab.
Cheese. You not going there.
So this is twin and this is
Z. And
And
this is the crab.
oh, so what do you have to tell me about the crab?
The crab can come up and climb and pinch you on your knee.
Really?
On your tongue.
Let's look at the crab. Look at it.
Wow. No, if you find the crab.
One down.
Careful, daddy, please. Daddy!
Yeah, down there.
Presidential. You got better when you met me, and that ain't coincidental. Tried to bring the best out you. Guess I'm not that influential. Guess I'm not the one that's meant for you. I can hear your tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at myself because I can't.
Wow. All cooked and cleaned by money. Yeah, daddy going to themselves too.
Be alone. Gossiping messages that ain't what we doing. Yeah. Trapping around the world. Over the phone, dropping. Get more run around the field. When you drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel.
Nigga for the real one, exactly what it is.